record
And then
this.
everyone's gonna be like, shut the fuck up.
Right
She
here.
gave you
I
10.
love these moments right here.
Oh,
We're gonna
the
record
rat.
this.
Oh, here's a rat.
No, we're
All
gonna
right,
YouTube
let's
this.
wait. Yeah,
I love because I come up against you guys all the time.
All right, rat.
I
Let's
come up
wait.
against you guys all the time.
Rat.
Give me 10.
Yeah, videotape me,
Give me
rat.
10. Give me 10. I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet.
Go ahead, videotape me, rat. Go ahead,
Give me 10.
videotape me,
I
rat.
love messing with drunk people because they start giving me that money.
All right,
Give me
what
10.
the fuck are
Give me
you
10.
on? Because you're
Look.
fucking crazy.
Look.
Crack?
Look.
What are you on?
Look.
Fucking rat?
Where the 10 at?
I'm waiting for you
What
to
a 10?
videotape me.
What a
bro.
10?
Give me
I ain't gonna even videotape.
and you
Give me
shut
10.
the fuck up.
I'm gonna shut the F up. Give me 10.
There's a lot of
Give me
screens.
10
Why
so I
are
can
you
win.
here?
Give me
You
10
get
so I
off
can
on
win.
this? Is your dick
Give me.
hard?
That is very
Is your
hard.
dick
Not for you
hard?
though, because
Is your dick hard?
you're not even worth it.
Go that
You're not even
way.
worth getting hard for it. Because you drunk.
Why are you
I don't
here?
deal with drunk
That's
women.
right, you
I don't
like
deal with
it.
drunk women because
You
that means you got a
like
whole lot of
it.
problems that I ain't gonna want to
You
deal with,
like
baby.
it.
That means if you
You
drunk,
like it.
you got a whole lot of problems that I ain't gonna want to deal with. And
Because
then,
you're not going
nah,
away.
baby, go on. Give me
Oh,
10.
baby,
Oh, give me
fucking
spare 10.
right
Oh, you
down
probably
in
got a
your
stick. You
pants.
probably a chick
Go
with a
that
stick.
way,
I don't
then.
deal with chicks
Just
with sticks.
fucking all
Give
you
me a
do is
give me
you
a
want
10.
this.
Give
You
me a
want
10.
this.
This is what you're
You
doing.
want this.
This is what you're
That's
doing.
right.
This
You
is what you
want
should
this.
be doing.
'Cause you can
This is
go
because you
that
done chose the
way,
wrong
but you
one.
fucking
That Tui
like
Leviton, and then
this.
you drinking a
You
cheap liquor
fucking
too.
like
Then she
this.
not even drinking nothing expensive. She drinking a cheap 211.
Whatever.
You're drinking a
You
cheap.
could go.
What that cost you?
You could
$2.99?
go. You
Oh
could
man,
go.
somebody gonna get a
Goodbye,
cheap thrill
crackhead.
tonight,
Where's
man.
the candy
This is
that you're
never stop
selling?
hustling moment
Where's the
right
candy
here.
that you're
YouTube
selling?
this.
You put
Oh,
it
man.
down somewhere?
No, we ain't put that
Oh,
down.
okay. I'll buy 10 of it. I'll throw it in your fucking
We got
face.
gloves, jackets.
Where's your little
Record this,
candy?
man. Hold on.
Where's your
Hold on.
candy?
I
Oh,
love
let me
this.
get my money.
I love
Oh, let
these
me get my
moments.
money.
This
I
is
love
what
this
hustling
moment.
is all
Oh,
about,
I
guys.
love this.
When you got these cheap drunkos, man, and they ain't got
Wait
nothing else to
a
do with their
fucking
life,
minute,
now she
dude.
pushing and shoving. I like it,
Where'd
baby.
my
I
purse
like it,
fucking
baby.
go?
Huh? Where your purse go? Oh, she gonna blame me for taking her purse. Look through my bags and see if your purse is in there. Record that. Look through that bag and see if you ain't got no money in there. You ain't got no money in your purse anyway.
Yeah, I
You ain't got
did.
no money in your purse. You too drunk to even know where your
No,
purse
I
at.
fucking
That's why you need to put that bottle down, baby. That's why you need to put that can down. That's what 211 do to you. You start to losing stuff, including your mind. Go on and get up on. They go to the door. The door is open for you now.
Shut the fuck up.
That's what you get. You messing with the wrong one. You messing with the wrong one. You messing with the wrong one. Yeah, get up out of here. Get up out of here, drunk. Get up out of here, drunk. Get up out of here, drunk. She done lost her purse. She's so drunk. That's what happened. Get up out of here, drunk. Get up out of here, drunk. She ain't paying me no attention now, no. She ain't paying me no attention now, no, Jack. She done got drunk and lost her purse, Jack. She gonna be a